Meaning of dendrite.
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 Dendrite. A dendrite is a branched, tree-like structure located on the surface of a neuron and serves as the receiving end for incoming signals. When an electrical impulse or neurotransmitter arrives at a dendrite, it causes a corresponding change in the neuron's membrane potential. This change then propagates down the neuron's axon, ultimately leading to the release of neurotransmitters at the synapse. Dendrites play a critical role in information processing within the brain, as their collective inputs determine whether a given neuron will fire an action potential or not.